Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the chat settings in the Snapchat. So if you want to change chat settings with any of your friend, you can simply follow this video or the procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and go to your chats. If you go to the settings, you won't find any option of the chat settings, but how you can do it, simply you have to tap a while on a friend chat like this and you will see a new screen is popped up. Now you have to simply click on the more, and once you will click on the more, you will see delete chat options. Right now it's after viewing. Select it and click on the 24 hours after viewing, or if you are on the 24 hour after viewing, you can simply click on the after viewing. So in this way you can change the chat settings on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.